Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2023 Toyota Aygo X. This is the 1 litre Pulse model. It's got a low annual road tax, full Toyota service history, and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now, we'll take the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard with daytime running lights, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork also. Protected boot liner, fold down seats, additional space. It's got the ISO fix for the car seats. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. Electric windows and mirrors, automatic headlights, air conditioning, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and Apple Carplay. It's got the reversing camera, manual 5-seat gearbox, manual handbrake, multifunctional steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control function. And there's 29,390 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota Aygo will make an ideal starter car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.